Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes.
Dave the who?
I got a beer in my hand, and it's Saturday night. And you know what goes good on a Saturday night with a beer? A pizza. How about a pizza on the Blackstone griddle? Stay tuned. Nice and crispy. That's really good. Take you a bite of pizza. Go ahead. Say, mmm.
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad you like it, honey. Well, folks, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Those who are subscribed, thank you so much. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button down below. And please leave us a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Well, this is Dave the Bomb, and until next time, cheers, y'all.